Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here. Welcome to the Cooking with Jack show. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and be sure to hit the notification bell too, because sometimes YouTube has a problem notifying people. So it'll alert you anytime we have a new video or a new product review. And this is from the same company, Starfrit, that does my rock cookware. The rock cookware is my all-time favorite cookware. It's the electric Spiralizer. All you Zoodle fans. That's right. No more buying the frozen bag of Zoodles. You can just grab your zucchini and put it through this. If this works, I am so excited. So let's give it a try, and I'll bring you in close to show you some of the details. This is what it looks like. It's packed really well. Everything's coated and taped and styrofoamed, and you got your cord right here. You got your, well, let's put this in first. This is your catcher. That goes right in there. This is kind of like your funneling system, like that. This is your plunger. See? It's gonna plunge in like that. And then these are your two blades. Be careful. Don't cut your finger. There's one blade. There's another one spiral cuts, and one does like a kind of like an angel hair pasta spiral cut. So here is a zucchini. I cut the ends off. We're just gonna put it right in and see how it works. Alright, let me unplug it before I put my hands in there so it doesn't go off again. Put a bowl down here. Wow. Totally spiral cut it. It's a little bit thicker than the Zoodles that I'm used to, but let's take a look at it. Now I can live with that. That's cool. You probably want to take some kitchen shears and break up some of it like this into smaller bite-sized pieces, but they're super thin. That's beautiful. You guys want to do the other blade? Let's check it out. All right, let me set it up. Hold on a second. I think I like this blade better. This is more noodle-like. All right, let's get a bowl and try to show you. All right, let's take a look here. This is exciting. Yeah, that looks more like pasta. Dump it in there. Put that back in there. Look how thin the pieces are. Look at that. That's more pasta-like. I think I'm keeping that blade on. I like that one better. Look how beautiful that is. That's a bowl of pasta right there, baby. Okay, guys. This is a success. So I'm going to put this down below. There'll be a link so you can grab yours. Now, let me give you some recommendations. If you sign up for the Starfrit newsletter, they give discounts all the time to buy off their website, or you can get it from like Amazon, Bed Bath & Beyond, wherever. I'll give you a link to Amazon, but if there is one, I don't know if there is, I haven't checked yet. But if not, this one is, I'll give you a link to where I bought this one. But basically, it worked good. It really works. Congratulations, Starfrit. Another great product right there. It is the electric Spiralizer. All right, as always, gotta get a flame going. Make sure the flame's burning. Yep. Take a little bit of oil. Just a little bit, because sausage has a natural fat in it anyway. Get that oil hot. All right, first thing we're gonna do is it ready? Yeah, it's ready. We're gonna cook up our sausage first. Get that dropped in there. The zucchini noodles don't need to be cooked, really, just kind of heated up. Alright, so some of you is going to say, why are you going to put your seasoning in now? Because seasoning in a hot pan makes the spices pop. So I'm going to do my seasoning before the sauce. Take a little bit of red pepper flakes. A little bit of minced garlic. A little bit of minced onion. And then we make it fragrant. Then you start bringing everything else in. Alright guys, I found in the refrigerator some mozzarella cheese. It was kind of left over from another recipe, so we're throwing this in. Start getting our sauce in there. Start incorporating everything. I got more sauce if I need it. Don't know if I'll need it. And just kind of top it off with a little pepper. There you go. I know we got red pepper flakes in here, but black pepper has a totally different flavor in addition to the red pepper flakes. So that's going to do it for today, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Love you.